So for today's lesson, we have the whole numbers up to 100,000 and their place value. So for this lesson, we will going to tackle or to learn about the whole numbers up to 100,000 and the place value and its value. So first is let's know why is it important to learn place value or the number. So first, they are important because they influence our decisions related to performance, investments, and effectiveness, among other things. Second, they help us understand how our number system works and how we can relate them to each other. So it means, sa madaling salita, no, ang numbers ginagamit natin everywhere and anytime. Dahil sa mga simpleng bagay, ginagamitan natin ng number. So, ginagamit natin ito in our real life and real world. So, for example, we are going to buy, we are going to measure, and we are going to count. So, lahat ng mga bagay na yan is ginagamitan natin ng numbers. So, therefore, it is important to learn numbers. So, now, we can use these to represent numbers. No, so number these provide the students with a better understanding of expanded form of numbers. And then, so meron tayong example dito. So we will going to illustrate the 12,576 using number this. So I have here a table that we have the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s place value. So here, we are going to understand how are we going to expand the number or how are we going to understand in a easiest way. So here, in a table, so paano ba natin nagawa tong number this? So first of all, we need to identify the digit of each place value. So yung 10,000 place value natin, ang digit niya ay yung 1 natin. So therefore, we only have 10,000. So isang 10,000 lang yung meron tayo. Dahil kaya din siya 1 dahil yung digit natin sa 10,000 ay 1. Then next, the value is 10,000. So yung value natin is dito rin natin nakikita. Yung value niya, ayan po. So, next naman natin is 1,000. So, yung 1,000 natin is, yung digit niya sa ating given ay yung ating 2. So, therefore, ilang thousands ang meron tayo? So, meron tayong dalawang thousands. So, therefore, the value is 2,000. Since dalawang thousands ang meron tayo, we have 2 discs as well. So, ayan yung tinatawag natin disc, yung mga bilog na yan. So, next naman natin is the hundreds. So, sa hundreds natin, itong hundreds natin, so ano ba yung digit natin sa hundreds? So, that is 5. So, dahil 5 yung digit ng hundreds natin, we should have 5 disc na hundreds ang nasa loob. So, meron tayong first disc, second disc, third, fourth, and fifth. So, meron tayong 5 disc, which is naglalaman ng 100. And then, the value of this is 500. So, yung nasa baba natin. Then, next natin is yung tens. So, sa tens natin, anong digit ba yung meron sa tens natin? So, that is 7. So, therefore, we have 7 disc na naglalaman ng 10. Dahil nga, we have tens or nasa tens place value siya. So, meron tayo 70. So, yun yung ating value, 70. Pag inad natin lahat ng nasa loob ng disc, that is 70. And that is the value. Next is yung ones natin. So, ilan yung ones natin? Ano yung digit niya? 6. Since 6 ito, therefore, the disc na meron tayo ay 6 din. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, ito po yung disk natin. And the value, pag pinag-add natin yung mga nasa loob ng disk, ay 6. So, now, we have illustrated the number disk that I think you can easily understand about numbers and how are we going to expand it. So, ano ba ang expanded form ng ating 12,576? So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is lalagyan lang natin ng plus. So, magiging 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 6 is equal to dito sa ating given na 12,576. So, that is the expanded form of 12,576. So, now since we know the number disk that can help us to represent or to expand the value that we have, let's proceed to the next one. So in our activity, we are going to expand this using the number disk. So paano ba natin ma-expand ito? So first is we are going to identify the digit. So yung digit natin ay okay. Sa 10,000, ang digit natin ay 1. So, therefore, yung disk natin ay ilan? So, 1 din. So, naglalaman siya ng, dahil 10,000 to, ang laman niya dapat ay 10,000. So, therefore, 10,000 ang laman nitong isang disk. Then, next, after ng 10,000 natin, let's proceed to 1,000. Ilan po ba yung 1,000 natin? O ano yung digit ng 1,000 natin? That is 3. So, ilang disk ang meron tayo? So, we have 3 disk. At ang laman ng 3 disk na to ay puro 1,000. So, 1,000. And this one is also 1,000. And this one is also 1,000. Then next is yung hundreds natin. So yung hundreds natin ay 3 din. So therefore, we have tatlo ding disk. So tatlo yung disk natin na naglalaman ng hundreds. Puro 100. So tatlong 100. And this one also is 100. Then next is yung tens natin. So sa tens natin, ano yung digit natin sa tens? That is 6. So ibig sabihin, 6 yung disk natin na naglalaman ng tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, eto yung mga disk natin. So, ang nilalaman niya ay puro 10. So, 10. This one is also 10. Another 10. Another 10. And another 10. And then next, yung ones natin ay ano yung digit ng ones natin? So yung digit ng ones natin ay 7. So therefore, yung disk natin ay 7 din. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Then, ang nilalaman nito ay puro 1. So, 1, Ito 1 din. 1 din ito. As well, this is 1 also. Another 1 and another 1. So this is the disk. So paano natin makukuha yung value niya or the expanded form? So ang gagawin natin is ipag-a-add lang natin yung mga nasa loob ng disk. So dahil isa lang naman to, ito ay 10,000. Then next is, dahil tatlo to, ipag-a-add natin yung tatlo. Then this is, so 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 3,000. And then next ay yung hundreds natin. So ipag-a-add natin yung hundreds natin. So 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. And then next is yung tens naman natin. So, ipag-a-add natin to. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 natin. So, this is total of 60. Then, next natin is yung ones. So, ilan ba yung ones natin? So, pag in-add natin sila, it is equal to 7. So, now, this is the expanded form of 13,367. So, lalagyan lang natin siya ng plus para ang total niya ay yung ating value na nasa itaas. So, 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 300, then plus 60 plus 7 is equal to 13,367. So, this is the activity, and this is about the numbers and how are we going to present it into a number disk and in expanded form. So, this is our answer kanina. So, ayan yung ating sagot. So, mas maayos. But as well, pinakita ko kung paano siya gawin. So, I hope you learned. So, thank you and see you for our next lesson.